Hey guys, it's John Bill TV again, and I'm going to show you something of what I collected in the past. Well, first off, let's do it with the old ones of the Trackmaster Revolution engines. Okay, this was my Trackmaster Thomas, but I got with the Avalanche Escape set that I got for my birthday, along with the Trackmaster Talking Edward, and I painted him all brown. It used to be a custom-made Trackmaster Timothy the Ghost engine model, but I changed my mind to having Thomas in his original basis. And I made the base right there. Why did I make that base? Because this is the face I made. Looks just like Timothy, right? Right. Yeah. And this was from my old Trackmaster Thomas model, but I turned it into Bluebell, the SENCR engine. I made a Timothy evil face. Scary, isn't it? Very scary. Anyway, this is Brown, LBSC Thomas, before he was painted green in The Adventure Begins. Yeah, that's my opinion on that. Also, I'm using this Trackmaster Thomas right now. It was from the Trackmaster 5-in-1 Trap Builder set that I got for Christmas last year. And works pretty fine. I need to get more AAA batteries to make it even more faster. Anyway, I detailed him front and back. I painted the footplate, and the lamp irons, and the buffers. I super detailed him. And I'm using Miss Thomas from now on. And look at all these boxes that I got of the Trackmaster Revolution engines. We have Gordon right here, and Hero, the Master of the Railway, and Emily, the Emerald Green engine, and Charlie, the Fine Purple engine, and James in his shiny red coat engine, also a mixed traffic engine. I'll show you those engines right now. This is a Trackmaster Gordon right here. I got along with the Trackmaster Samson right here from this Dinos and Discoveries DVD. Not only I got those two engines, but I also got, hold on a minute. Those two growing up with Hello Kitty DVDs. which are so awesome. I've watched them, all of them. But I already watched them on YouTube, though. So thank you, Sydney Tucker. Anyway, and I also got the James mixed traffic engine. Actually, is scared James, by the way. As in, oh, I'm scared. It also comes with that truck right there. And it's full of scrap metal in there. And this was my Trackmaster Thomas that came with a breakaway bridge set. But I got it at Toys R Us. But I turned into Kuno, the tank engine, which is made by Eli J. Brony. So thank you, Eli, for doing a swell job. And not only that, because I got as graduation presents, because I graduated from 6th grade, and now I'm going to the 7th. I also got the Trackmaster Revolution James with a happy face. And I also got Emily, the Emerald Green engine, which is perfect. And Charlie the Fawn engine, which was my first purple engine. It comes with a red boxcar. And sorry about that. I also got Hero, the Master of the Railway, which is first seen in Hero of the Rails. Not only that, because I put those two engines that I got for graduation in boxes. The Trackmaster Scruff, the Scruncher. I'll open it up right now. Man. Yeah. My Trackmaster Scruff looks very good. I almost detailed him. Here's Garbage, which was in the freight cars right here. I played with Scruff for a while. What I also got is the Trackmaster Revolution Talking Thomas. And works very perfectly. It also comes with a brown car here. And a Talking Thomas that talks. Want to hear the phrases? Let's do this.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
Chugging sounds.
I must not delay. I have more jobs to do. I'm on my way. I'll jump and I'll puff to be there on time. Coming through. Full steam ahead.
Well, this is my Trackmaster Revolution Talking Thomas, by the way. Oh yeah, I have more Trackmaster Revolution engines I have. Let's see what I got here. Ton 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 ton. There it is. The Trackmaster Revolution Percy, but I painted in shiny colors, except for the front wheels. And this was a Percy from the Trackmaster Sit and Switch delivery set. But anyway, those are my Trackmaster Revolution engines. This is John Bill TV saying goodbye and good luck.